Hello everyone, welcome to Moments with Lorraine. In this video, I'm going to be making this beautiful Christmas lantern with supplies that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Please subscribe and don't forget to leave your comments below. I bought these picture frames from the Dollar Tree and painted them white. I will leave all the supplies I am using in the description box below. After the paint was completely dried, I used some glitter and Mod Podge that I found at my local Walmart. I always set my glitter with clear spray paint, but you can use Mod Podge if that's what you prefer. And remember to always spray outside in a well-ventilated area. I am now decorating the sides with the silver gem wrap that I ordered from Amazon. I am now going to add to the edge of the picture frame some gold bling wrap that I found at Dollar Tree. These two gold picture frames that I found at the Dollar Tree will be the walls of the lantern. I am removing the glass and securing it back in with some Aileen's tacky glue. I am reinforcing the glass with some hot glue. I am now going to secure the picture frames inside these decorated boxes with some cement glue, but you can use some E6000 or Gorilla Glue. And of course some hot glue to keep it in place while the cement glue dries. I decided to use these napkin ring holders as the legs on this lantern. I also decided not to decorate them because I thought they were pretty enough by themselves. It is now time to add some thin strips of the gold bling around the sides of the decorated boxes. As you can see, I added a little bit too much Mod Podge and glitter to this part of the box, but that's okay. It will get covered up and it will not be seen. Now, while the lantern is drying, it is time to make an ornament to put inside of the lantern. I found this round plastic ornament that you can decorate yourself at the Dollar Tree. After placing the flowered Christmas pics inside of the ornament, it is now time to do a few strokes of Mod Podge so I can apply some glitter. I am going to place this plastic bowl on the bottom of the ornament so it stands up taller in the lantern. I am removing the legs from this mirror so it can lay flat on top of the metal box that I will be placing on top of the lantern. This golden bell that I found at the Dollar Tree will act as the finishing touch and the handle for the lantern. I am now going to place these fairy lights in the bottom of the lantern that I ordered from Amazon. Now my glue gun has two settings, high and low, so I made sure I put it on low before adding this hot glue to the lights. I did not want to damage the lights. After placing the wreath on top of the lights, it is now time to put in the decorated ball that I did. Wow, this turned out absolutely gorgeous. It didn't turn out how I had originally planned, but it turned out way better than I had originally planned. You can decorate the inside any way you wish. I mean, you could put a beautiful figurine in there, a beautiful bottle of perfume, or even one of those LED candles. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment below. The more you interact with my video is the more you let YouTube notice me even more. Until next time, all of you stay safe and take care.